The Nuwave infrared air fryer oven uses a combination of infrared, convection, and conduction heat to cook food quickly while keeping the inside tender and the outside nicely browned. Its see-through dome makes it easy to keep an eye on your food without opening the cooker, so you maintain steady heat and more consistent results. The generous interior handles everything from quick weeknight portions to a whole turkey, which makes it a practical choice for families or anyone who likes to batch cook. With a broad temperature range and a large set of presets and memory slots, it adapts well to roasting, baking, grilling, searing, dehydrating, and even air sous vide style cooking. The included racks and accessories let fat drip away from meats, and the enclosed design helps reduce smoke while keeping individual flavors from mingling. Cleanup is straightforward because most parts go straight into the dishwasher and splatters tend to stay contained inside the cooking chamber.